Mm, mm, mm. Amazon is at it again. What's up, tubers? Hopefully, you're having a great day. You see, your boy is on fire. I'm trying to get these news and updates out here, these tutorials. But here it is on aftvnews.com. They actually put out an article yesterday. Today is June 25th. They released it on the 24th of 2024. And man, Amazon is at it again. All right. First off, let's get into it, right? It was a war between the launchers, all right? Because Amazon want to put out all of these advertisements that us cord cutters and other people, other communities really don't want to see. So it was them versus Wolf Launcher and all these other launchers that was out there. Then they announced, right? They went back and forth. Then they announced that, oh, well, we're going to a whole operating system. We're going to use Linux, which pissed off a lot of cord cutters in the community because we like to side load. And currently, at this moment, if they use Linux, there's no way to sideload third-party apps onto their device. All right, so people is up in the air. Some people sticking around until the wheels fall off. Some people have already moved on to the latest and greatest newest device that came out from Walmart, which is called the On 4K Pro. And then you got the On 4K box as well, the little one, and then you got the big one, right? And then, right now, the war is against them sending multiple updates, maybe once, twice a month, all right? And they're turning on data collection features, which is making people even more upset. And people are really tired of it going to war with Amazon streaming devices. And some people have moved on. They done unplugged it, threw it in they drawer, or gave it to somebody, factory reset it, gave it to somebody, threw their hands up, and they actually went to other devices, such as the NVIDIA Shield, such as the Apple TV 4K, such as Formula devices, other devices, including the On 4K Pro. Again, the newest devices that just got released. Now they're talking about charging to use that A word, aka Alexa. But instead of me saying Alexa, I will say the A word. Let's get into this article because this is getting crazy. Alexa might cost $5 to $10 per month for all features after its AI upgrade. So I even set off my own uh, uh, device right here, this Echo Show. All right. So a new report from Reuters claims that Amazon is thinking of charging $5 to $10 a month for a word AI powered redesign, which is expected to be released later this year. Amazon hinted at possibly charging for a word last year when it first showed off the voice assistant upcoming improvements. The new LLM based A word seemed to be plagued with issues and delays, but might be released as soon as August with a subscription fee attached. I be God. This is only some of the more advanced features are said to require a paid subscription, as Amazon is expected to continue offering a free version that can do everything a word can do today. The advanced A word is said to be capable of executing multiple tasks with a single request and even performing actions like writing emails and ordering food from a simple prompt. It may also be able to learn from your habits and routines to perform tasks before you ask for them. like turning on smart home devices. Nah, nah. Amazon typically reveals new hardware and services in September. So it should be, so it said, so it shouldn't be long before a word AI overhauls is at least demoed, if not released, meaning they're going to give a demonstration, may have a few people test it out before they officially release it. Much of what is promised at last year's Amazon event has not been released. So there's surely pressure on Amazon to deliver its updates more timely this year. All right, so here it is. Amazon wants to make more money. They know that a lot of people is leaving their streaming devices because they're going to Linux, and people are moving on to other devices that I named earlier. And so somehow they got to make this money up. Why not charge to use the new A word feature? All right, why not charge it? But to order some food or to send email, now they want your email, and now they want to get inside your email. You see how much information they are attempting to take from us? If you on a streaming device, they keep turning these on. We want to know what you're watching. We want to know what you're listening to. We want to listen to the recordings on some of your devices. Echo, Fire TV Cubes, streaming devices. They want you to leave these on so they can listen. And now you want to write an email? Think about it. Now they want your email address and they want you to allow them to go inside your email, which is personal information, and send out an email. Now you want to know what I want to eat. You telling me you want me to give you access and you want to know what I'm eating, right? This is crazy, crazy what they are attempting to do. This is crazy. My advice to y'all, it may be time to move on. I know some of y'all like these smart home devices with Ring and stuff like that, but they are wanting to collect too much information out of us. Yes, every application is collecting information, but not every application is sending updates 2 to 3 times a month or once a month and turning these features on so they can see exactly what we are doing, what are we saying, what do we like to watch on TV, what music we like, so they can send advertisements to us or even report us to the government. Think about it. This is a nice article that I'm going to leave inside of this vehicle. I mean, this vehicle. Oh my goodness. Inside this video. All right. Sorry, I don't know. I'm ready to drive off. Like, because this is totally insane what they have going on these last 6, 7 months. It is really getting out of hand. Probably 8 months by now. It's getting out of hand. Again, I will leave this link to this article. You can read it yourself. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on, but I'm getting choked up right now. So I'm getting choked up right now. I don't know what's going on, but again, just definitely pay attention, guys, because they want too much information. I would love to hear from you. What do you think about this article? Do you think it's fair? Are you willing to pay the $5 to $10? I would love to hear from you. Again, also let me know what streaming device. If you were part of Amazon ecosystem and you moved on, let me know what you're using. All right, let the people know what you have moved on to. Did you move on to Apple TV 4K? Did you save up and get an NVIDIA Shield? Did you get a Me Cool formula? Did you move on to the new On 4K Pro, which everybody is seeming to like nowadays, except for one YouTube creator that I watch? Other than that, guys, I appreciate the love. Again, I love to hear from you. Sorry for the choking up. I don't know what the heck just happened, but this is life. Love y'all, and I will talk to you on the next video. Big salute. Thanks.